So this video will be about a service called LaunchPedia.co, and this is a step-by-step guide from over 15 makers who ranked top 3 on Product Hunt. Before I show you the video, I would like to talk about affiliate marketing. Are you drawn to affiliate marketing, but you have no idea where to start and maybe even feel overwhelmed by all the information and sometimes questionable information available online? Hi, I'm Anders Larsson. If you are interested in starting affiliate marketing, now is the time to act. If you have tried affiliate marketing before but didn't get the outcomes you hoped for, you are not alone. Before I started in 2019, I was kind of deceived by online gurus to sell low-ticket affiliate clickbank products, which resulted in very little profit and a lot of loss due to running paid traffic. I had been struggling for a while with hardly any results to show for it, but I met someone who had true success in her business, and this was when I had lost all motivation. So I did something that I postponed for a very long time, and that is actually go out and contact online marketers and see if they could help me. So anyway, she showed her business and how it worked, and it started to make sense that this is actually what I need to do. And one thing that really inspired me to join was because this system had coaches. So if I joined the system, I would get a personal coach. But anyway, when I made the decision to invest in this system, I was given access to high quality digital training. And in that training, I actually had to go through different steps, and after reaching a couple of steps, I had to contact my coach. And I think this is a good thing because, well, I believe that people just want to dig through everything at once without stopping and thinking what they are doing. So if they need to contact their personal coach to unlock the next couple of steps, then I think this is a good thing, because now you actually have someone to talk to that can coach you. So my coach guided me through my journey, and to join this system it only costed me $7. So if you are tired of going in circles and not seeing any results in your business endeavors, it is time to break the cycle and make a change. But anyway, without further ado, over to you, Tom, and I will talk more about it at the end of the video.
Thank you, Anders. We talked to more than 15 makers who were in the top 3 on Product Hunt and put together this step-by-step Product Hunt launch guide with all of their launch plans, hacks, and strategies that you can use for your own launch. How are you all? I'm thrilled to announce the release of YouTube Launch Guide, LaunchPedia's third product. The YouTube Launch Guide is a 10-step plan for how to make a successful start on YouTube. Thinking face, what makes this guide different from others? This guide doesn't just have made-up words and ways to spam. This guide is filled with proven strategies and plans for success. Person shrugging, medium light skin tone, male sign, how do you know? We talked to 15 people whose products were in the top 3 on YouTube and asked them everything we could think of about their launch plans and strategies. Then, step by step, we wrote down all of their plans in this guide. Person raising hand, medium light skin tone, male sign, who are those 15 makers we interviewed? 1. Sveta, co-founder of MakerBox, at Bazvi. 2. Shushant, at Shushant Lakyani, the micro-product guy. Sharath, at 5 Harith, who helps people connect on Threado. 4. Michael, the founder of Side Project Led Growth, at Michael Jnavatny. 5. Ignacio, the person who made Notion, at Theveler. 6. Rapti, head of marketing at Bugasora, at Rapti. 7. Vishal Godvani is the head of growth at Brew Money, at Vishal Godvani. 8. Christian, head of sales at Litspace, at Cotronio 61. 9. Richard Gao, co-founder of the company Evoke, at Richard Gao 2. Honey, the person who started Locofi, at Honey Middle. 11. Nitish, who started Ansi and tweets as at NitishReady1. 12. Passio, Notion creator, at IamPassio. 13. Cat, no code creator, at Catrison. 14. Falak, the person who made no code, at Falak Share. 15. Elif, founder of Before Sunset, at Elif Doran. What are the guide's 10 steps? 1. Decide on a goal. 2. Setting the date of the launch. 3. The hunter was found. 4. Putting together the list. 5. Making a page with a teaser. 6. Getting people excited about the launch. 7. How to set prices. 8. Getting ready for the start. 9. The day of launch. 10. What came after the launch. And bonus materials. Person running medium light skin tone male sign what you can do. Check out our launch guide for YouTube and tell us what you think. It will help us improve the guide a lot. Cheers. Kartik. Alright. Over to you, Anders.
Thanks for sharing this with us, Tom. So, allow me to explain something I think many people don't comprehend. The majority of online content creates the impression that becoming successful online is quick and simple. Why is that? So, it makes sense to me that it is because it is just about baiting people to buy something. Before I started my journey as an influencer, I was trapped in that kind of cycle. I was the guy hopping from one thing to another and fell for different tricks by online marketers or online gurus. So I wasted time and money on useless things, and I never had a clear goal. Now I realize that it will take some time to accomplish this. People tend to give up far too easily, which is a problem. It is comparable to wanting to lose weight. Are you going to just give up if you don't see results right away, or are you going to research what you can do differently? I have to consistently post movies and gradually test various things. I recently made an investment in a video service I'm using for this video. By the way, a great tool. I will need to gradually discover the strategies that work for me. I learn from it and then I share it with you guys. If you want to know how to access this system that I'm using that is making me money, then click the link in the description. And that will take you to a landing page, my landing page. And if you don't want to sign up for my free video training, I have placed a red button on that page. That will take you to one of the landing pages for the system I use. On that page, you have the opportunity to learn more. So you enter your information and you will get a free guide, so to say, in your email inbox. And if you find that this guide is really helpful, then you have the option to sign up to this system. And this is a high-ticket platform that I use. You will also get help from a personal coach. So a personal coach is assigned to you. And honestly, this is not a typical affiliate product. It is a full digital training portal with coaches and high-ticket products, as well as low-ticket products. So it is a mix of them. But these products are there to guide you and all the people you refer to that system. Most of the time, the high-ticket items pay out more than $1,000. But this only happens when you've been running your online business for a while, when it starts to grow. As a beginner, you will see the low-ticket commissions more often before the high-ticket earnings. Anyway, I'm glad you watched this video. I do appreciate that you took some time to listen to what I wanted to share. If you learned something of value, then do click the like button. This will help get more people to check out my YouTube channel. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.